This is these.
Yeah, I don't know.
The radar's clear.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Clear of rain.
Well, I'm a somewhat more skeptical. Morning, Jim.
Morning.
Searching all of my days.
Look at you with your fancy setup there. Now, can you get out of the chair? That's the question.
I feel like I'm in a parachute.
It is kind of like that. All right, here he goes. Oh, I thought you were going to do this straight, right out of the thigh, with the thigh master there.
I thought I'd do it as easiest.
You cheated. All right, let's start the portage and let's... What are we at, day 5, Jim?
Day 5, Saturday.
Oh, Saturday?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. All right. Well, lovely sunny Saturday. Okay, away we go.
Watch the sky breaking on, promise that we made. As the days keep turning to night. Many a night I found myself with no friend standing near. I cried aloud, I shook my hand.
Not too bad of a takeout in high water. Well, here we're coming up on the big glacial erratic on the trail. And no, I'm not referring to Jim. That's a butte.
My eyes confound me, and it's just too
Ooh, another big one along the trail.
as the days keep
Very nice.
turning into night.
It's a little steep to put the canoe in. We left them on the trail. I don't think it's very far before we're on to the next portage anyway.
Back.
That's it. We're good.
Nice.
Well, we're at the portage, but it doesn't look too bad, so we're gonna go and check it out. I think we might be able to just run it without any problems. Nice portage, right? Well, we're on the last portage. It's the last portage of the day, isn't it, Jim? Ooh, nice. So last portage of the day, only about 150. We already took the boat over, and there's a really nice campsite at the very end of it, so we're gonna have lunch there. It's about 11:30 and we're having lunch. Incredible. This one could be runnable that way, so we just had to scout it, and it took a lot of time, and we were really hungry. So we decided we were just gonna portage it quick. So off we go. So this portage is a walk in the park. Very nice. Wait till you see this campsite. It's fancy. So here's the end of the portage. And then that way goes to the camp. So we'll put our stuff down here and then go for lunch. Look at that bonus feature. A picnic table to boot. Lots of tent pads, nice fire pit, a little bit of a sandy beach for sunbathing. There's even a thunderbox back there, I guess. And here's the beach. Not bad at all. So, lunch it is. I think Jim dropped a little bit of cheese from his lunch, and someone is bringing it home.
Looks like you might need a compass.
It's not quite the bridge on the White River, but it's something. So here we have it, the turn of the Steel River. Now we're gonna go down that way. Some people come from up that way, and then other people come from over on this way. Straight to the middle, and then we want to slide to the left, okay? We're going to go right after we get past this first set of trees here. Yeah, so we want to go a bit to the left here. I want to go right to the watery part. So we'll cut to the left of the... Yep, to the left of the... Hold on. Easy, Jim. It's got lots of water. It's got lots of water. Yes, yeah, we got heaps. One swim down. There we go. we're gonna have to stay on that right side until we get by that tree, eh? Sorry, Jim. It is, isn't it? All right, over to the left here a bit. Could be. Yeah, we're gonna have to go to the right then. We're gonna have to thread it between the two cedars, okay? And then hard left after? Yes. Yep, should be good. Stay right along this left bank here. Just keeps going, huh? So far, we've just had like one nice swift, one big long swift. Yes. Just maybe a touch of fast one. And after we get by the tree, then we'll go to the right. Watch your noggin. Oh, that was nice. A little bit left. Yep. Alright, so we'll go middle left, okay? But we'll go to the right of the haystacks?
Yes, I agree.
Okay. Sounds good.
That rock is a bit of a ledge, so stay away from it.
Right. Nicely done. Picked a bit of water up. No. No, let's go to the left with Jim. You want any left? What's that? I just have to get rid of some water here. Just up to the rocks here, be perfect. Just a little bit. Okay, we gotta stay a little bit middle left here, Jim.
All right.
Back. Over on your strong side. That fire pit certainly is an interesting one, but it would be probably beautiful. It looks like a big sandbar, really nice swimming. Yeah, very nice. Here we have the second campsite about half a kilometer down the way, so just on the east side. Okay. So it looks like it's used in the winter as well. So they have the set up for a big canvas tent and a stove. There's a river that runs right beside it. So you got your fire pit right up here in the front. Yeah, it's pretty good. So it might be a little bit buggy in the summertime, right? Hold on to the boat there, Jim, and I'll pull you along. Whoop. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 paddles. We got a map, electronics, 1, 2 packs, that, and a baler.
We just took a little bit of water on during the haystacks.
Where's the barrel full, right? Yeah, pretty good. Oh, there goes the barrel again.
I'll keep an eye on it.
All right.
It's eddying back.
All set, Jim? Okay, keep spinning it the same direction, Jim. So this way. Oh. Beautiful.
Just remember there was a really big one on the left that I think we might have missed, but it didn't seem to matter. The other one was just big enough.
It was just as big. Here's your electronics. Here's your map.
2 sleepers.
Yeah, I can feel the cold on my legs right now even.
Yeah. No, but it's handy to have them, that's for sure.
Yeah, because if you were longer in there, you'd be in trouble. Well, we got everything back in the boat. So haystacks are not always your friend. That was fun and cooling. Well, that middle haystack was the one that we went straight through. So, and then we went straight through the second haystack too. So, yeah. Other than that, it was lots of fun. We're on our next portage, and at the end there's a whole whack of haystacks that way. So based upon our haystack skills, we decided we were portaging.
If we went left, there's a strong eddy coming up. We might have dunked and then gone into a fallen sweeper. If we gone right, there was a cedar tree hanging over with cut off stumps that might have taken something off us. And if we went straight down, we would have sunk for sure. So there didn't seem to be a lot of favorable options.
No. And then when I turned the canoe over, I had to wait for like 10 minutes because all of the baffles were filled with water from the last time. And so they had to drain out. It would have been a recipe for disaster.
If we'd run this, we would have to decide ahead of time which side would we like to flip on.
Yes, pretty well.
Okay.
And if we would be able to recover the canoe at the bottom of the lake, I guess. Right. All right, on we go.
All right.
This one's a nice portage though, so very Quetico-like.
Nice and easy and marked.
And here's the end of it. So, nice little put in. A couple of extra logs here and there, but otherwise pretty good. Well, what do you think of the Rainbow Falls?
Nice.
It's very nice, eh?
Very powerful.
Wow.
It's kind of drawing me to it. I felt like jumping in.
A little bit.
I had to leave.
All right, well, should we go make supper now?
Yeah.
All right. It's a little bit safer than jumping.
Yeah.
In the arms of a lover, in the arms of your son, you lay your breath heavy on not anyone. Won't you stay for a while? Won't you rest yourself? You know it ain't such a shame to have lost yourself. You know it ain't such a shame to have lost yourself.
And you put the boat in the water?
Yeah, I'm gonna put this on.
The canoe is starting to look a little seedy right now. The put in is a little tricky, but actually this is better than the last one. As you can see, I can at least get my foot out of this one. So, not too bad. I think we're about 3 hours away from the lake.
3 hour tour.
3 hour tour, exactly. I got the handle. You. All right. All set.
And wrap themselves around you, and they fill you up till you don't know what to do. On a winter's night when everything is new. On a winter's night when everything is new. Oh, say if my heart were a turntable.
Want some ice for your drink tonight? Well, we've come to the final log jam, so which means the final portage, and then we're almost at the lake. Jim, last portage of the trip, nothing but sandy beach.
Yep, nice feeling.
I'll get myself set up in a second.
See you on the other side.
So this portage is pretty good. It's actually pretty flat, so it just weaves and winds around all these old cedar trees and sand, lots of sand. And here's the end of it. We just gotta fill the boat. And then it's 2 kilometers down to the campsite and the lake. And at long last, it looks like we're almost at the end of the Steel River. You can see the lake. The campsite's over to the left. We'll be having supper in no time. Looks like here might be our campsite for the night.
I must say that the variety on this trip is incredible. Every single day had something different, like you're in a different part of parks I've been in before, and there was always 2 or 3 things that were unexpected. Great workout.
That's for sure.
So if you want to burn a few calories and lose 5 or 10 pounds, you can do this trip. Some of it was tough and some of it was unexpectedly easy. Near the end of the Steel River, from time to time the odd log builds up, which looks like you could probably run it if you got up some good speed, but we decided to portage around this one. This particular one is only 120 meters and it's an easy portage, although taking out was through Quicksand, I would say. Just in one place too long, you would sink to your ankles and then you'd have trouble getting out. We haven't seen anyone for the whole trip, so if you want some solitude, some good exercise, some variety, and lake travel, river travel, rapids, fast-moving, quiet waters, easy entry just off the highway, I have nothing but good things to say about this trip, and so far it's one of my favorite trips ever.
As we're doing it, we're supposed to not be, it's not supposed to be like a script, Jim. Probably would help if I actually took the...
Can I ask you one thing though?
Sure.
Before you start it?
What?
Did you start it yet?
Probably. What?
Take